Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Joe Lish. Today I'm going to talk about New Mexico Hatch chilies and how to prepare them. Okay, so there's a couple of ways to prepare a chili, and this goes for all chilies. These happen to be New Mexico Hatch chilies, which are very seasonal, but you're going to want to get the thin membrane off the outside of the chili, and the best way to do that is to roast it. You can roast it over a outdoor barbecue grill just until the skin starts to turn black and roasted. You can do it in your kitchen over a gas stove, or you can even use a culinary torch burner and char it that way. The way they do it in New Mexico is commercially they have these huge wire drums that are propane powered, and they rotate the chilies in the drums while they're cooking and the outside is roasting. So I'm going to go ahead and go out onto the outside grill and start roasting these chilies. So we're going to roast the chilies here until they turn black. Nice and cooked. Just going to close that, let them roast for a few minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back. Our chilies have come off of the grill, and as you can see, we've got a nice char on the outside, and that papery outer skin is just starting to peel right off. You can have a look there. This is what you're going for. You want a nice char on the outer skin just to peel that membrane off. And you can see there's, a beautiful roasted pepper underneath there. The skin just peels right off of that. I'm wearing gloves at this phase just because these are chilies. There's some spice in here, and it's just easier so it doesn't get in your hands. And then you touch your eyes or your face, and you know that you've been handling chilies because your eyes and face will start to burn. So that's all, but we're just going to scrape off the outer membrane of these. And if you were going to make a chili relleno, this would be your starting point here. You'd fill these guys up. And the aroma coming off of these, just from that simple little sear on the grill, the char, is just amazing. And you notice I'm using the back of the knife blade. I don't want to cut through the chili, so I'm just peeling that skin and membrane off with the back of my paring knife. Just clean the knife, and then the skin comes right off. You just want to scrape it off. And if you get a few little pieces on there left over, it doesn't matter. It's not going to hurt you. It's really more of a aesthetic thing. There we go. Then we got a nice looking chili there, peeled. And what I do is take out the seeds and membrane of a chili. So if you want a little less heat, you can take out the seeds and membrane. That's where a lot of the spice of a chili is located. So I'll show you how to do that here real quick. You just cut open into the chili, and you can see there's all these seeds in here, and this piece of a membrane that's the seeds are attached to. If you just take that out, so there's a little bit of the membrane here that the seeds are attached to, and you take that out. I'm just cutting it out, and now your chilies are going to be much less spicy than they were if you were to leave those seeds in there. All right, and there we have the Hatch chili roasting video. Thanks for checking in with us and seeing our video. Don't forget to subscribe, mash the likes, and check out my blog at joelish.com. Thanks again, everyone. We'll see you next time.